in Canada because
a boot. Not a boot. Sorry.
Hey, welcome back to Trail Trash Garage. Alright, today we're doing a little fit up on the WildHeart bags. Now, I showed you these a little while ago, and now that the weather's decent, I got to get prepared for some riding. Just a quick review, they're roll top bags. I'll put a link to the unboxing description here or here. That just kind of goes on the side. So we're just going to see how they fit up. And I don't know what I'm doing, so that's why I don't know if I can, how much I'm going to be able to film accurately. So there's this pad that goes in the middle, that goes around your seat. So let's snug that up a little bit. Now, if you recall, I did modify these dirt rack crash bars to better accommodate bags. That's a place to start right there. There's a cam buckle here, which you guys can't see because this pelican case is in the way. So that kind of anchors the top of the bag. There's another strap that comes across like this. So once you get these situated, I imagine it's going to be much easier just to throw them back on once you kind of get the lengths where you want them. That's a long tail there. Don't know how comfortable that's going to be to sit on. And it also helps when you've got them packed with stuff in them. Now these may have come with some basic instructions, I can't remember. If you just watched the unboxing video, you probably know. So these buckles are pretty good because you can loop through here around whatever you want, and they come through these quick buckles like this. My Nelson rig bag uses them, and they tension pretty well. Where do I want to put these though? Probably right here. Roll this bag down. Kind of keeping half an eye on Bentley. Likes to wander around and get on the road. So this is that cam buckle I was showing you on the other side. We cut these off on the outside and we welded them on the inside just to make them look a little better. But that's basically what I wanted to do there. There we go. Comes through here. And WildHeart left these extremely long, you know, so you can basically do what you want with them. We'll tie up the loose ends. They do have these flaps behind them to keep that from scratching anything. Not that I'm overly worried about that on this bike. But. So how do we secure the front of the bag? Same type of buckle, except it's attached permanently. So this is that long front one. These are kind of in the way, really. I know I put them there, but they're kind of in the way. So if I come through here, now I want it to stay down here. I don't want it to ride up on there. So I'm going to try to wrap it around itself, okay? And then come over to the buckle. And that's what I mean where these are kind of in the way. Probably a big fat head's in the way. Okay. So buckle here. Now, the only thing I don't know is what the hell are these for? What to do with all this excess? That's it. They're not going to go anywhere. Now, Colin leaves his bag on 24/7. I don't know if I'd want to do that. Anyway, I'll leave them on today because I got to take some tools down, do some work for somebody's gold wing. So I think I'll leave the bags on and just take a ride with them on. That's that excess strap I don't know what to do with. And there it is there. We're not really utilizing anything down here, which I might change up. I might want to bring, I wouldn't mind bringing that back. And I bet you we could do that with that buckle. Loop it through there. So how's it on the other side? Yeah, see, we're not really taking advantage of that either. Really, you just have the two mount points. Now these are up kind of high. I guess mount them around here. They wouldn't be through the loop, but they would be here. And that would keep the bags back a little bit more. Anyway, trial and error. That's why you dry fit this stuff before you just throw it on there and go. I'd say that probably gives you an idea of what to expect with the bags. I have no idea if they're waterproof. I'll have to wait till we get some rain. I mean, I can get the hose out and whatever, and maybe I will. Maybe I'll stuff them full of some blankets and hose them down if they're waterproof. But I think they probably are now. But I just remember in the unboxing, sorry, those seams right there. This is double welded, but that seam right, that crease, I should say crease, not a seam per se. That's when I'm worried about the failure point right there. But this one doesn't seem to be as bad. But where they were packaged, I'm a little worried about that. They seem pretty well made, so we'll see what kind of abuse they put up with. All right, well, that's a short one, but hey, we got that stuff fitted. So for Jeff at Trail Trash ADV, subscribe, like, catch you in the next video. You know we're in Canada because...
A boot! Sorry.